What a jump here in the second half of the day and into the close. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome, and to all subscribers, welcome back. Today was FOMC, and in that volatility, our SPY bot presented multiple opportunities, but here into the second half and that push that we saw, we had a bull indicator pop up around 478 here on the QQQ, and then you have here on the SPY, same thing popping up here around 558 and pushing out of that area. And it was sent out directly to our Discord at 2:40 p.m. And for the QQQ bot, it was sent out at 2:40 p.m. as well. Multiple bull indicators here on today's charts, and strength and call options went up over 120% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, and join the members using 42 Vision and learn charts along the way to see the strengths of supports and resistance, the link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So here we are with the SPY trying to come back up above 560, and it kept rejecting 561, a key level here in the pullback as we pulled away from 565 down towards 560. So this has been pinned here for most of the day, and we're closing trying to push back above 561. Now in the QQQ, you could really see here where 42 Vision really gives us that strength and edge. And here we have it. We have a bull indicator as the strength of trend. We have support forming after this inflow level popped up, and you could see how inflows are dominating. The indigo blue is inflows and the red pink is outflows. The inflows are much larger than the outflows, followed by a bull indicator and holding above 478. And then you had historically, obviously, the high of the day and even the pre-market as levels to watch, but where this outflow level popped up as a point of reference. And you could see it here. It pushed up towards it. It rejected a little bit below it, and it's still trying to get there. And that's how we look at 42 Vision with clarity, right? We have the strength of trend. We have the inflow confirmation, and our point of reference is the highest points of the day, and then that outflow level. And is it guaranteed to always hit it? No, but using it as a point of reference is crucial. And if we zoom into the 3-minute, you could see here closely how things reacted, right? With our inflow versus outflow. It had those inflow levels, and it tried pushing up again to that 485, 46 level. And it's not guaranteed to always hit it, but it's a point to watch, and usually we reject near it or even break through it, right? And in this case, we barely missed it, right? Right up here at 485.80 area. So it's great for us to be able to see the supports and resistance and the strengths of trend. And once again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment to get connected and join the members using 42 Vision and equip yourself to go ahead and navigate through the volatility of the markets and charts to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So the SPY here is sitting at the 558 level with inflows on the 3-minute. On the 5-minute, we're sitting above the inflow level since way down here back on Wednesday of last week at the 550 level. And then we're up here trying to get out above 565, right? We touched it, and we have huge rejections up here near 568, 567. And if this strength continues, when you look at it from the 15-minute, we just got a bull indicator, but we have a huge outflow level here from yesterday's after hours and today's pre-market that we need to break. And it's also where we slowed down at the high of the SPY in today's run, right here in the second half. And that's up here near 563, 564. If that gets broken through, the next level I'll be watching is up towards 566. Now to the downside, if this bull indicator goes ahead and gets canceled, and the strength of this bear indicator on the 30-minute is stronger at the 560 level, the first support down here is 555, which is very important because we were trying to come back up to this level, and we've rejected up here near 568. And we've been watching this in our previous videos, but it continues to hold here as support. As long as we could stay above this, there may be a retest based off this outflow level of 570, but we're under a bear indicator here on the 30-minute. The 1 hour is still under a bull indicator, and then the 2 hour as well is still under a bear indicator. So we have some divergences and conflicting information and data going on in these charts that if the 2 hour and the 30-minute can make the 1 hour go into a bear indicator and the 15-minute loses traction and this bull indicator gets canceled, 555 is crucial. And if that gets broken through, The next level I'll be watching below that is 552 and then the 550 area. So those are key levels to the downside, and I will be watching if these bear indicators roll over into the 1 hour and the larger time frames, as well as the lower ones canceling out this bull indicator on the 15-minute. And we could see here on the 15-minute how we rejected, and there's a bull indicator. So it's going to be crucial to break through these resistance levels as we mentioned. If not, things could quickly turn for the supports. And again, this is where 42 Vision really gives us that edge. And if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to get connected and join us. And we look forward to having you join us and join the community. And we could see it again here with individual stocks, right? You have Tesla here having those outflows break to the downside. That inflow level got broken through and things have just pulled downwards. You have Apple here, same thing. Lots of outflows compounding, followed by that bear indicator. And then right now we just had a huge inflow come in, plus a bull indicator here at 194. It hit highs here of 197.50 almost. And then you have a point of reference up here of 199 to 200 as a key level to watch. And that's where 42 Vision prepares us and equips us. Because right now we're down here at 196. If this bull indicator holds on the 3-minute and the 5-minute, bull indicator holds, the next resistance is up here near 200. And if it goes ahead and retraces, at least we have that point of reference of where we may be going the further we pull away from this. And level of inflows and support, right? And then again, this is where 42 Vision gives us that double confirmation of bull indicator of strength of trend, inflow level of strength of inflows and why we're holding up, and then the point of reference using the resistance in this outflow level as a possible area to retrace to and go ahead and use as a point of reference in the charts. Is it always guaranteed to hit it? No, but definitely it equips us. And if this strength continues, we may end up back up here within the after hours or going into tomorrow's pre-market or opening day at these levels as it continues to hold up and these inflows and bull indicator continue to hold and roll over into larger time frames like the 15-minute and the 30-minute, right? You have these levels here. You can see why we slowed down here, this inflow level. But if we can get back in here, the next inflow level is up towards 200 again. That's the end point there of that level before that next outflow level. And then once we're in between 200 and 201, 202, that's another area to start watching, right? But right now we're under a bear indicator and that needs to get canceled here. So this was just an example, and that's where 42 Vision allows us to prepare and be equipped for the volatility and opportunities. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.